This digital product is trending these days, and the best part, there is no competition. AI has now the power to create this digital product in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to create the same and even better product than this listing. The product is junk journals. You might thinking, what is this? These are simple vintage design and images of anything, from winter accessories to cats and dogs. Alas, you can clearly see that there is a lot of competition. But I have found a sub-niche in this topic that has no competition. This niche is Dragon Junk Journal Kit, not competitive. If we search this, you can see that there are only 1,800 listings. So let's start making these designs. Let's say that we want to copy this design. Just take a screenshot by pressing Windows key along with Shift and S key. Then take a screenshot. Now head over to Leonardo to copy the exact design and add our touch. Turn on image guidance. Then create a prompt to create the exact design or for the better version of that design. Click Generate and the AI will generate 4 versions of the design. Download the one that you like. The best way to deliver your final product to the customer is uploading your designs into a Google Drive folder. Make the folder public and copy the link of the folder. Then create a captivating PDF page that has a button which redirects the customer to the Google Drive folder. This means that the person who will buy our product will receive this PDF page. I'll try this side hustle by myself for a month, and if I see some traction, I'll make the video. Keep in mind that only one listing will not bring sales. Make at least 40 listings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.